Meanwhile, Wipro has reported a mixed set of earnings in the first quarter. Revenue and PAT came in line with estimates, but EBIT and EBIT margin failed to meet most expectations. Let's take a look at the press conference that's on at the moment in Bengaluru.
Just to give you some color on our markets, Americas for us remained soft, declining both sequentially and on year-on-year basis. However, we continue to see momentum in technology and communication, and we have seen some good wins in the consumer segment. And as we move into the quarter two, we are definitely seeing momentum build up in BFSI sector in America. Our APIS revenue grew sequentially and also on a year-on-year basis. Here, we are encouraged by the momentum we continue to see in this market, particularly in the BFSI and consumer sectors. Europe grew year-on-year with strong traction in BFSI, technology and communication. However, energy, manufacturing and resources sector remained soft. We see healthy pipeline across various regions in Europe. If I were to call out two, it would be UK and Nordics. During our quarter one, order book totaled $3.4 billion, and our large deal booking totaled $1.6 billion. This order booking include 13 large deals this quarter. I want to take a minute to highlight two of these deal wins, which are very different from the way we have been seeing the deals that we have been structuring and solutioning for our clients. One, a leading global animal healthcare provider selected us to modernize and manage their digital operations across global network of hospitals and clinics. Using Wipro Intelligence, I repeat, using Wipro Intelligence, we will help transform service operations, improve productivity, and enable predictive issue prevention. We are helping this client create a more autonomous technology environment. And the goal here is to improve experiences for their clinical teams, for their employees, and of course, customers who walk in with their pets, while increasing operational rigor. In our second deal win, a leading European specialty chemicals company chose us to run and transform their complex application landscape. Leveraging AI-led capabilities through our wings, which is actually part of our Wipro Intelligence, we will automate our operations for the client, improve delivery efficiency, provide greater visibility through an AI-powered digital command center. The outcome is expected to elevate service quality, higher productivity, and lower operating costs. The reason I'm calling out these examples is that they reflect a broader shift in the enterprise priorities. Increasingly today, our clients are looking beyond technology modernization alone. The focus clearly is moving towards AI-enabled operating models that improve service quality, reduce operational complexity, and strengthen resilience, and of course, unlock sustainable productivity gains. And I can assure you, this is where Wipro is well positioned. Let me now share a few additional updates. During the quarter, we closed the acquisition of Mindsprint and quickly transitioned from integration planning to execution. While we continue to deepen our relationship with Olam Group, we have also started to see good opportunities in the food and agriculture sector. If you recollect, last quarter, we launched AI Business and Platform Unit. Since then, we have moved decisively from strategy to execution. We are building multi-AI-powered industry platforms, developing new AI-native business models, and forging strong partnerships across our AI ecosystems. We have laid the foundation, strengthened the team with specialized AI native leadership talent, defined our roadmap to establish clear priorities for the next phase of growth. I want to actually take a moment here to highlight a few more areas where we are making progress and growing our AI momentum through Wipro Intelligence. You would have recently heard of our launch of Applied AI Center of Excellence for cloud models powered by Anthropic. This strengthens our ability to help clients rapidly adopt frontier AI capabilities while maintaining enterprise-grade controls and governance. Capco, our BFSI consulting arm, won the AI Governance and Risk Excellence Award at the OpenAI Partner Summit. Of course, we had to compete with a lot of our competitors there. And our UK AI Lab won the OpenAI Codex Hackathon for an AI-powered banking solution. These accolades validate our ability to innovate while applying AI responsibly in highly regulated industries. Across markets and industries, we are helping clients reimagine operations by embedding AI at the core of their business, spanning both physical and digital worlds. So I'm excited to share some examples of work we have already done for some of our clients. One, for a global industrial manufacturer, we are reimagining finance and procurement through our Wings platform, combining agentic AI, intelligent orchestration, real-time analytics, and an AI-powered knowledge management to create a highly automated operating model. Second, with one of our healthcare clients, we are deploying multi-agent AI system, reducing provider enrollment processing up to 70%. It has really improved, while automating their manual effort up to 90%. Three, for a leading global technology company, we are improving the quality, reasoning, and safety of their next-generation AI models through expert-led data creation and AI evaluations. In fact, this is delivering significant gains in model accuracy, which is very important, and reasoning capability, which is very important in the new context of AI. And last one, with a life sciences client, our Wings platform is transforming pharmacovigilance from a document-centric, labor-intensive process into a completely AI-native safety operations. This is powered by our autonomous agents and regulatory-grade workflows, which we develop through AI and Wipro Intelligence. In fact, one more I'll take. For a global energy leader, this is very interesting. We are defining their enterprise robotic strategy and roadmap for physical AI-enabled autonomous operations. So you can see that you have physical AI now coming into action. Collectively, these engagements demonstrate our breadth of Wipro's AI capabilities, from a strategy and advisory to being clearly a domain-specific solutions company. It also reinforces our role as a trusted transformation partner in helping enterprises redesign how work gets done. In fact, we have more such examples of the AI work we have done. It's available in our press release if it's a good reading for you while you're heading back home today. With that, let me shift focus to the next quarter. In Q2, we are guiding for a sequential growth of -1.5% to +0.5% in constant currency terms. As we continue to navigate macro uncertainty and, of course, geopolitical instability, our priority is to remain disciplined in execution, helping clients navigate complexity and create sustainable value for all our stakeholders. With that, let me hand it over to Aparna to share our financial performance in more detail. Over to you, Aparna. Thank you very much.